10 persons, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. They are sitting on a pentagon shaped table in such a way that some of them are facing inside while some are facing outside the table. Okay. So, here we cannot define the direction just by the figure. If they say all are inside, we can say this is left, this is right. If they say all are outside, facing outside, we can say this is right, this is left. But in this case, we cannot figure out. Okay. We have to figure out only by seeing the statements. Okay. One person sits on each corner and one person sits on each side of the table. Okay. Not more than two adjacent persons face the same direction. Very important point. Not more than two adjacent people face the same direction. Okay. That's important point. Right. X sits to the, so first of all, we'll take the diagram. Okay. Yes. We'll take the diagram. Are you solving it? Or what I suggest is just take a screenshot. Okay. In the meantime, while I am solving, you just take a screenshot or you will have the PDF available, don't worry. Okay. So, it's a pentagon table. Okay. Chalo. 5 people na? 5 people on the sides and 5 people to the corners. Okay. We don't know the directions, so we can't mark the directions right now. Yes. So, let's see the question. What they say? X sits to the immediate right of Q and vice versa. Okay. We need a catch point from where we can start. Okay. So, X sits to the immediate right of Q and vice versa. Q sits on one of the corners. So, we have a point. Q is sitting on one of the corners. Right. Okay. So, I'll take Q to the corner. Because we don't know the direction, first scenario, I'll assume that Q is facing inside. Okay, first scenario, I am assuming that Q is facing inside. So, this will be their left, this will be their right. Yes. Second scenario, ma? Are you understanding how we can start this? Huh? There are only two possibilities, no? Either facing inside, either facing away from the center. Yes. So, they said Q is sitting on the corner. So, we got a point that Q is sitting on the corners. First scenario, I am assuming that Q is facing inside. Second scenario, I will assume that Q is sitting on the corner only. It is facing away from the center. Okay, getting my point? It is facing away from the center. Away from the center, so this is right, this is left. Okay. Okay. Next. V sits third to right of Q and faces opposite direction to Q. V is sitting third to right of Q. Okay. V is sitting third to right of Q. This is Q. Third side, third means first, second, third. V will come here and it faces opposite direction of Q. So, in this case, Q is facing inwards. So, V will face away from the center. When V is facing away from the center, this is right of V, this is left of V. Yes. In this scenario, ma, V sits third to right of Q. So, this is right side. First, second, third. V comes here and here Q is facing away from the center. So, obviously, V will face inwards. V will face inwards. Yes, when V is facing inwards, this is its left, this is its right. Yes, yes. Next. X sits to the immediate right of Q and vice versa. See this point, X is sitting immediate right of Q. So, right side of Q, immediate right, X can come here. What does this vice versa means? When X is sitting immediate right of Q, they said that Q is also sitting immediate right of X. That is vice versa. Yes, X is sitting immediate right of Q. Similarly, Q is sitting immediate right of X. So, immediate right of X means this should be the right side of X. So, obviously, this will be the left side. That means X is facing which direction, ma? X is facing away from the center. Yes, in this scenario, X sits immediate right of Q. Yes, and Q also sits immediate right of X. So, this is right, this is left. That means what? X is facing inwards in this scenario. Okay, this is second case, that's first case. Okay, possibilities. Okay, next. Finish till here? Okay. S sits two persons away from V and is third to left of R, who is not an immediate neighbor of X. See, S is sitting two persons away from V. Okay, S is sitting two persons away from V. If you take V here, two persons away, can I take S here? First person, second person. Two persons away, can I take S here? Huh? No. So, 2 persons away I can take S here. Okay. S is sitting. Ma, when they say 2 persons away, it's not 2 places away. Always remember this because many of them will get confused here. If they say 2 places away, okay, that means 2 places you will leave, you will take S. If they say 2 persons away, that means this is first person you will consider, this is second person you will consider. So, S is sitting 2 persons away. Okay, yes. And what they said, S sits 2 persons away from V and S is, and means it's talking about S, is third to left of R. Third to left of R plus R is not adjacent to X. So, third to left of R. Third, no, first, second, third. R if I take here, will that work? No, because R is not adjacent to X. So, I have to take this side only. First, second, third, R can come here. Third to left of R. Yes, third to left of R only. Where is that? Third to left of R. Yes. So, this will be left, this will be right. Okay, that's all. Yes. So, that means what, ma? This is left, this is right, R is facing inwards. Apply same thing here. Apply same thing here. You tell me, S is third person away from V, no? Yes. 2 persons away. F is 2 persons away. So, I can't take S here. 2 persons away, yes, I can take here. I can't take R here. So, R first, second, third, R I can take here. Third, left side. So, left, right, clear now? Left and right means R is facing away from the center. Are you all understanding how we are approaching this question? Huh? Till here it's clear now? Okay, fine. Next, third to right, who is not in, okay, finish. Z sits second to right of Y, who is adjacent to neither R nor V, okay. First of all, Y is not adjacent to R and V. Neither nor means not, no. So, Y is not adjacent to R and V. Where I can take my Y? If you see, Y is not adjacent to R. So, I can't take Y here, I can't take Y here. It's not adjacent to V. I can't take R here, Y here, Y here. So, only one place is left. Y I can take here. Yes. And they say Z sits second to right of Y. Z is sitting second to right of Y plus Z is same direction as Y. Okay. Z is sitting second to right of Y. So, this side second place R is occupied. So, this side second place only I can take Z. Yes. Second to right of Y. So, this is right, this is left. Yes. When Y is facing away from the center, no? Yes. When Y is facing away from the center, according to the statement, Z also faces away from the center. So, this is right, this is left. Clear? Yes. Point here is, when these two people are facing away from the center, which direction S will face? They already mentioned that not more than 2 adjacent persons face same direction. So, obviously, I cannot take this person as away from the center. So, I have to take S inwards the center. Yes, we got the position of S. In this place, ma'am, where I can take Y is not adjacent to R. So, Y I can't take in this place. It's not adjacent to V, I can't take here. So, I can take here only. Yes. Z is second to right of Y. So, can I take Z here? Yes. Right. This is right. This is left. So, Y is inwards in this case. Obviously, Z is inwards in this case. So, definitely S is away from the center. Yes. So, this is right and this is left. Point clear? Now, coming back to the question. Okay, W sits third to left of T, who faces same direction as S. W is sitting third to left of T and T is facing same direction as S. Where I can take third to left? Third to left means if you take these both vacant places, it becomes a second only. So, this is the only vacant position where I can take third to left, okay, whatever. So, S is facing inwards. So, T also will face inwards. So, if I assume T here, T facing inwards, this is left, this is right. What they said, W is sitting third to left of T only. W is sitting third to left of T. So, can I take W here? First, second, third, W I can take here. Yes. Yes. Right. Next, confirm the position of W, ma. Both these people are facing center. So, W faces away from the center. So, this is right, this is left. Clear? Yes. And in this case, coming back to this case, W sits third to left of T, and T is facing same direction as S. So third position, this is only position which we can take, no? Third to left of T, where I can take ma? T should be here, T facing away from the center because S is facing away from the center. This is right, this is left. First, second, third, W I can take here. When these both are facing away from the center, W faces center. Yes, so this is right, this is left, this is right. Clear? Yes. Who else is left, ma? Who else is left? Q, R, S, T, U is left? I guess U is left. So this is only vacant place, I can take U here. This is only vacant place, I can take U here. Huh? But we need to know the direction. We need to know the direction. We have some more statements. U doesn't face the same direction as W. U is not facing same direction as W. So W is facing away from the center, so U will face inwards in this case. Inwards, no, left and right. In this case, W is facing inside the center, so U faces away from the center. So this is right, this is left. But both cases we are getting it right. So we have to find which one is correct for us. If you see, the one who sits immediate left of R faces inside the table. See this line, the one who sits immediate left of R faces inside the table. So R is here, immediate left of R, U is there, and it is facing inside the table. That is what they are saying. The one who sits immediate left of R faces inside the table. So this is the final arrangement. The one who is sitting immediate left of R is facing inside the table. Here what happens? The one who is sitting immediate left of R is facing outside the table. So this is not our final arrangement. Getting it? Yes. So did we all get the final arrangement? Yes. As I am explaining it to you, this is taking time, but while you are solving it on the paper, this will not take this much time. Right? Yes? Clear, ma? Shall we go and answer the questions? Are you able to understand? Please confirm me that. Are you able to understand how we are tackling these questions? Huh? Let's see. See. X is set to the immediate right of Q and vice versa. X is sitting immediate right of Q. Q is sitting immediate right of X. Yes. Right. Next. Q is sitting on one of the corners. And V sits third to right of Q. Q is sitting one of the corners. V sits third to right of Q. Yes. Next. And faces opposite direction as Q. So Q is facing inward. So V is facing away from the center. Yes. Next. S sits 2 persons away from V and is third to left of R. Okay. S is sitting 2 persons away from V. V is here 2 persons away. S is here and it is third to left of R. R is here first, second, third. And R and X are not immediate neighbors, right? Okay. Next, Z sits second to right of Y, who is adjacent to neither R nor V, but faces same direction. So Y is not adjacent to R and V, and Z is sitting second to right of Y. Okay. See, if you see, Y is not adjacent to R and V. Yes, no? Y is not adjacent to R and V. Yes. And Z is sitting second to right of Y. Yes. And it is facing same direction as Y. Right. Next, ma. W sits third to left of T, who faces same direction as S. W is sitting third to left of T. W is sitting third to left of T, and it is facing, and who is facing same direction as S? T is facing same direction as S. So S is facing inwards, so T is facing inwards. Yes. Next. U doesn't face the same direction as W. So when W is here facing away from the center, U is here facing inwards the center. And the possibility is R adjacent of R, immediate left of R, whoever is sitting is facing inside the table. So this is our final diagram. Yes. Let's solve the questions, ma. Tell me the first question. See, read it. Answer. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and hence form a group. Find the one that doesn't belong to that group. Okay. Okay. The one who sits immediate right of you, first of all you see the one who is sitting immediate right of you, it is R. Okay. We don't know what conclusion we will come up with. Okay. Next, Y. R, Y. If you see, they are coming to the corners. Okay. So, this person is sitting on the corner. This person is sitting on the corner. Okay. The one who sits immediate left of W. The one who sits immediate left of W. Immediate left of W, it is Q. Again, Q is also sitting on the corner only. Yes. So, this is also corner. T. T, where is T? T is also on the corner. Most probably, this might be our answer. The one who sits second to left of S. The one who sits second to left of S. S is here. First, second. So, V is to the sides of the table. Okay. Remaining all are to the corners of the table, but V is to the sides of the table. So, this will be our answer. This is not the one which fits in this group.